I can't hear you and I'm not interested. No, I am. I'm not, so back to me. Now, previously in my life, I proved that living alone can be genuine fun.
Catastrophic danger warning. The mega tsunami that happened 2 hours ago is now reaching the east coast of the United States. The wave is expected to be 54 feet high and will reach the east coast in the next 12 minutes. If you are in the area right now, it is too late to evacuate the area. Repeat, it is too late to evacuate. You would face death if you're in the danger area. Right now, it is encouraged to get supplies in the next 5 minutes if you can. All cities in the east coast will be damaged. All roads and highways will have now less limit to speed, so everyone on the road and highways can escape quickly to the west side of the United States to hideouts in California and other states in the west, since they will not be affected by the tsunami that will hit the east coast in 10 minutes. Tune in for more information of this attack on your well-being. The following message is from the United States Weather Forecast. At 2:34 p.m., July 25th, 2029, a 54 feet tsunami hit the east coast of the United States, impacting New York, New Jersey, Boston, Pennsylvania, Georgia, North Carolina, Delaware, Maryland, and South Florida. These cities' remaining land will be still on the map, but underwater parts will be taken of the map. 1,254 people were killed. Luckily, Washington, D.C. was not flooded, and 89% of the people living there were evacuated safely to the west side of the United States. Homes will be rebuilt, but some will stay where they are now. We return to the following program.